Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy.
Greetings, my princess.
What is it?
An important visitor is here to see you.
Prince Afam?
Yes, my princess.
Tell him I'll be with him in an hour.
My princess, that's a long time to keep a man waiting.
Very well then. Tell him I'll be with him when I'm done with what I'm doing.
This sounds better.
It's in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a he's a low life boy. Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because he's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went. Papa when he went. I wanna go straight to my heart. Papa when he went. Papa when he went. Straight to my love. Papa when he went. Papa when he went.
Oh, my princess.
Hi.
Oh,
Good. Sorry I kept you waiting.
of course, you know I do not mind. I could wait for ages for you. You're what's waiting for my princess.
Thank you. I need to go take a shower.
Well, I'm all yours, my princess.
You should come inside.
Nah, I think I prefer it here with a fine bottle of wine.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Very well then. Suit yourself.
Yes, and I'll be waiting.
Excuse me.
What we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Pechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will
Yes,
stand for you.
yes, I'm fine. She went in to take a bath.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love.
My prince. Charlie.
She's taking too long.
Well, I'm not complaining.
I know you are not, but come to think of it, it's unfair to keep a prince like you waiting for too long. It's a slap on your identity. I'm of the opinion that we go and come back. Don't you think so? Or maybe she's not even the right mood to see you for now.
Oh, Charlie, I'll rather wait here for ages than to be out there. That's what you do when you're in love. Don't you think so?
You're welcome, my prince. Whatever you say goes.
Good. Pour me some wine, Charlie.
Yes, my prince.
Your Highness, the princess is sleeping and might not be awake till night.
Preposterous.
You know she had a long section today and she's exhausted.
Well, you tell her I waited for about 3 hours before you give me that information.
Sure, I will, my prince.
I'll be back in the early hours of the day after tomorrow. Let her know that.
Okay, my prince, I'll pass your message across.
Good. Charlie,
My prince.
let's go.
Love is greater than words because it's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. I wanna go straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my love. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Alicia, what we be, we be. What we be, we be. If I cheat the other girl, Alicia, what we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Kechebania. In the time of trouble, we stand.
This meeting was scheduled for 10 a.m. and this is 2 p.m. What does that make us? My prince, you see, she has humiliated you again. And she'll continue to humiliate you if you've done something about this. My prince, I'm sorry to say this. Sometimes I feel very ashamed when I'm with you when she acts this way. I don't know how to put this, my prince. You are as reality as she is, but why must she continue to treat you like a commoner?
The maid said she fell asleep. Isn't that enough explanation for you to understand?
She can say that to the birds. She fell asleep. But please, you know better than this that this girl does not love you. And she's showing it every moment you're with her.
But I love her. And that's all that matters.
With all due respect, my prince, I'm not disputing that. Yes, you love her. But you can't continue in this humiliation.
Well, my love for her supersedes all these humiliations. As a matter of fact, when she continues to act like this, my love gets stronger. Charlie, do not worry. Sooner or later, I will win her love. Okay?
But my prince, this cannot continue.
Charlie!
I'm sorry, my prince.
Let me bother about that. Okay?
Your Majesty, we cannot continue to tolerate hooliganism in this community. That boy is an albatross in our neck. We can't continue to tolerate him.
Oh, Foka, be careful. Be careful, Foka. I know your son, and I know what your son has been doing in this community. If this boy we are talking about, Okechukwu were to be your son, will you bring him before the king?
The gods forbid. You know I can't give birth to such a son. I can't give birth to such a son.
Okay. It's okay. Anna's here.
Your Majesty.
We are a people. Our kingdom is governed by the rule of law.
I am aware of that, Your Majesty.
Okoro ade akonye kolea. That boy needs to be disciplined. My forefathers had a way of disciplining their subjects who flouted the rules. My father did it, and I will not be an exception. That boy needs to be disciplined.
Igwe adio.
Igwe.
What gonna do?
Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Straight to my love. Papa when he went.
Sister! Hey, sister! What is it? You won't believe what I just saw now.
What did you see?
That's your so-called boyfriend. I saw him fighting on the path that leads to the stream.
This early morning.
Sister, I'm telling you. Hey! I don't even see anything. I was so ashamed of myself that I wouldn't even want anybody to know that he's my sister's boyfriend. Hi!
Anole, Okechukwu is not just my boyfriend. He is my fiancé. And very soon we'll be getting married.
Whatever, sister. Whatever. You just go and see. Just go and see what he's doing. Just go and see the kind of news that he's causing. Shameless village fighter.
You won't try me. You won't try me. What are you doing here?
Stop fighting,
Come here. Go home. Go home now. You won't try me.
Please, stop fighting.
What are you doing here?
Stop fighting.
What are you doing here? Go home. Go home now. One. Shut. You have waited. Okay, you're still there. You're still there, eh? You're still there. Okay, Papa. Idiot. Try me. Try me next time. Try me next time.
Sister, what happened? Why are you crying?
That boy is a beast. He doesn't deserve my love at all. I don't know why I love him so much.
You wouldn't stop fighting, right?
He threatened to beat me instead.
Are you serious?
Imagine someone I call my fiancé disgracing me everywhere in the streets of this village. Fighting like a tout every day, anytime, everywhere. If I try stopping him, he would threaten to beat me.
Hey.
What kind of a husband is he going to make?
Sister, marriage is not by force. If I tell you to leave him alone and face your life, you wouldn't listen to me. You see? Look at what he's putting you through.
This time it's over. It's all over, not anymore.
Only if you mean it.
I mean it this time.
Stop crying.
are you doing here? What are you doing here? Okay, I'm asking you, what are you doing here? After disgracing yourself out there, thinking you disgraced me. You disgraced yourself and you know it. What are you doing here? Leave my house. Leave this place right now. Give me one reason. Just give me one reason why I should stand here listening to you after what you did to me out there.
This is life, oh life. Love is now my pain, my joy is now.
Because you love me. And I love you too.
What will I do? Where will I run to? Who will I talk to? What will I do? Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the dear, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy, yeah. He gave me away, he's a low life boy.
What is it?
Did I say anything?
So why are you standing there looking at us like you've not seen us before?
I was just passing by.
Love is greater than words because it's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my journey. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when I wanna go straight to my heart. Papa when he went, Papa when he went. Go straight to my love. Papa when he went, Papa when he went.
What is going on with my sister? Eh? Is it that this boy used charm on her or something? 1 minute, she will end the relationship with her mouth. Another minute, she's all over him again. What is going on? Why is my sister so shameless? God. Why can't she stick to her word in ending this relationship? Eh? With this village fighter? Why? No. I think I need to confront her. I need to confront her. I know what is happening. I need to confront her. Sister.
What is it?
Why is it that you can't stick to your words for just a minute, as in just once? Why?
What is the meaning of this?
Stop pretending. Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Well, if it's about Okechukwu, my man, stop.
Sister, not again. Can you boldly come out and say that Okechukwu is your man? Can you come out? That village tout, that village fighter, who doesn't know him? Someone who fights about at any given time and opportunity. Sister, no now, why?
You don't understand love till you fall in love.
Is that one love? Did you call that one love? If that one is not, I will not love. See me, cha-cha-cha, I won't love. Is he responsible?
Okay, Chuku is not irresponsible.
He's not only irresponsible. You tell me, sister, what is he? Someone who fights like a fowl everywhere. He's a disgrace to his mother.
Are you okay? How dare you stand before me insulting my man? Shut up! You now, idiot! You can't be.
Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because he's my child. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna learn. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart.
My friend, what is it?
I'm sorry, bro. It's not intentional.
Is it that this road is not big enough for you to pass than pushing me?
I'm sorry.
Or you just want to know what I will do?
I'm sorry, it was not
Can you
intentional.
imagine?
Baby, it's okay, let's go.
But I just said I'm sorry. And you're here still ranting like a woman. What is it?
If you get.
Baby, he doesn't mean it. He doesn't mean it.
You see how he's talking?
What nonsense.
Come on, come on.
I've been telling about you in this village.
You want to try me?
Today will be your end.
You want to try me?
Today will be your end.
You want to try me, yeah?
Come,
try me.
Come.
You want to try me?
Come.
Hey!
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 Me!
Try me.
Me!
Hey! You want to try me? What is it?
Come. Why are you running? Come. Come, let me see you. Come. I've been hearing about you in this village. Today will be your end. Come. Come.
Okay, Chuku, you've embarrassed me enough. Fighting always. You couldn't even look at my face. No respect whatsoever. You didn't even respect the woman you want to marry. Fighting always. Fighting. I can't take this anymore. Oh, not again. I'm tired. I cannot take this again, okay, Chuku. It's over.
Uju baby. Hey!
Stop. I don't like the way his elder brother is disturbing him. Makes me not see him every time I want.
Uju!
Makes me not see him more.
I know you. Thank God you are here. You people should come and see what my eyes have seen now. What is it? Your sister's boyfriend is fighting with one guy like that. If you see the way the guy was behaving like a man, he just pulled off his shirt please, you people should come and see. Let's go.
Okay, Chuku, is he the only boy in this village? Every time fighting up and down. What is it with this boy? What?
Mommy, please come. Let's go and watch. Go where? We are not going with you. We are not going. You should come and say things for yourself.
Isn't not his usual way? What is there to go and see? We are tired of seeing him fighting up and down the village. We are tired of seeing him fighting.
My sister needs to hear this particular one now. It's too much.
She needs to know about this.
Let's go, let's see now.
Please, make my hair, make my hair.
We are not going. Can't go with
We don't want to go and see
She wants to go alone.
We are tired of
I've been going to say, let me finish your hair and
hair.
rush home. Hey, sister. Hey. Have you heard? Sister, why are you crying now?
It's okay, Chico. You're fighting.
Exactly what I want to tell you about now. Have you heard? The latest, the new one in town, he has even done worse this time around there. Hey! You don't even know what he did though. You don't even want to hear what he did. Eh? Oh God, this boy.
I was with that idiot too. I was with him. I begged him. I begged no Kichiko not to fight. Little thing every other man will see and overlook. No Kichiko want to fight. He want to fight, embarrassing me everywhere in this village. I'm tired.
Sister. So Ikechukwu is now an idiot. Eh? You're a responsible lover. The love of your life, sister. Eh? The love of your life. Hey.
Angry. Please, I am not in the mood for this right now. I'm not in the mood for jokes. Leave this place, officer.
Sister, I'm serious.
Get out!
Hey!
Idiot. I don't blame you. You are the cause of all this. You are the cause of all this embarrassment. The insult I'm getting in this village is because of you, Okechukwu. I am done. I am tired. I cannot take this again.
Is this a crime? If I get you, not you. Okay, Chubu. Okay, mama. Okay, mom. Night for nana. Okay, Chubu. Okay, mama. Okay, mom. Night for Abuzanyega mama gini kamera. What is my crime? Mama, give me can commit. Mama, alile bukwa alile bukwa. Gimme camera. Is it the right one to fall in love? Why always me?
Don't you in your wildest dream come close to this house, you shameless idiot.
I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Are you not tired of disgracing me in this village? Are you not?
I'm sorry.
Who said you go? I hope he doesn't succeed in deceiving my sister this time around though.
Please listen to me. Please forgive me. Okay?
Oh, wow. Hi. This my sister. This minute he's a fool. And the next minute they are in love again. Eh? She's all over him again. I know you will still deceive her with his sweet talks and she will still fall for it again. Eh? Foolish people. Shameless people. Wow.
Please stop calling me baby. I am not your baby. I cannot be a baby to a shameless fighter. Eh? To a public fighter. You always fighting in the street. Someone that fights almost everywhere, any minute, anytime, anywhere. Without shame. There's nothing to cover up for anymore. Everybody in this village now know how worthless you are. That you're ready to fight anytime.
Yes, she's sounding more serious now. Yes, I like this. Let me go and put the hot water on fire.
Please stop calling me baby. I am not your baby. And I cannot marry a man like you.
I'm sorry.
Please, don't come close to me. I swear with my late parents' grave. If you come more close to me, I'll pour you hot water.
Baby, be cool, no.
Sister!
Anole, boil me some water.
I've already done that.
Angole.
Eh? What did you just say? Did I just hear my name in your lips? See, don't ever in your life try that again. Eh? Who doesn't know you in this village? You a village fighter. You fight anywhere, anytime. See, sure you want to be my brother-in-law. Try it. Don't worry. Wait here. Don't worry. Sister.
Hey, is this still there?
Oh, yeah. No, stand here.
No, come. Come, are you running?
Come. Are you running? No, now. Don't come and marry. Sorry. Oh! I'm happy. I'm very happy that you stood your ground this time around. I'm so proud of you.
I love this girl, but I don't know why I keep hurting her. I pray she forgives me this time. I know what to do. I will give her some time, like 2 days. Her anger will subside, and she will forgive me.
What is wrong with me? If Ukichukwu comes back begging me to forgive him, I don't think I can stand him. What is that?
I beg you with the name of God. You don't have to say that.
That is the truth.
What truth are you talking about? Eh? How can you get married to a public nuisance? Eh? Someone who fights and end at any given opportunity or time. Yes, sister. You are a decent girl from a decent home.
You're right, Anole. I can't marry him.
Yes. You should go and look for girls at the same category with him. Shameless girls like him. Eh? You are a decent girl from a decent family.
Oh. So tell me now, how do I avoid him?
Yes, you are not talking now, sister. If you ask me, I'll tell you to travel far away from this community, from this village, so that he won't be able to get access to you anymore.
Travel and leave you for who? I can't leave this village for... How do I cope?
Sister, you don't have to bother about me. I'm a survivor. I can just cope and survive in any situation I find myself. So,
are you sure?
I'm sure, sister. Sister, don't worry. I'll miss you.
I miss you already. Let me go to Auntie Chika's house in Aban, stay for 1 month. At least by that 1 month, he will be able to forget me.
Yes, sister. I think he will be able to forget about you after looking for you, at least a month without seeing you. I think he's going to forget about you. Don't worry.
But are you sure he will forget about me?
Sister, if he doesn't forget about you in 1 month, we'll extend it to 2 months. If he doesn't still forget about you, we'll extend it to any time he finally forgets about you. Don't worry.
Anyways, you're right. And me too. I will be able to forget about him completely.
Yes. I'm going to miss you, sister.
I'm missing you already. Don't forget to call me when you need anything, okay?
Of course, I will.
Alright. Let me go, okay?
Safe trip, eh?
I'll be calling you.
Go on.
Alright, take care.
Right.
Take care of the house. Don't look for trouble. You know your mouth is very, very sharp.
Sister.
Don't look for trouble. Unless they will kill you. I'm not around though.
Sister, don't worry. I'll take care of myself, eh?
Alright.
Bye-bye. Alright, sister.
Machi.
Yes?
Only. Call on Machi for me.
She's not around.
Angoli, see, I am very serious. I'm not joking. Help me call Machi.
She's not at home. Does it look like I'm joking?
Where did she go to?
She traveled to Aba. She doesn't want to stay in this village anymore.
Angoli, why are you lying? Eh? Why are you lying?
Ha! Okay, now I'm lying, Abi. Go inside and see for yourself. Go and check now. I was actually doing something when you came, so I want to go inside.
She went to Aba. How? My God. What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Oh God. Okay.
Hello, Kichuku.
Hello?
Please just leave me alone. As I am talking to you right now, I'm on my way going to Aba. I cannot continue with a man like you. I cannot. I can't marry a shameless man like you, a worthless man. Everybody in this village has known your words. You shamelessly fight everywhere. Okay, Chiku, please, just leave me alone. Leave me. I cannot marry someone like you. Okay? Please, if I call this call right now, I will just remove my SIM card, and my new SIM card, it's only my sister that has it. And you know she hates you so much that she cannot even think of giving you my new SIM card. Please, okay, Chiku, please don't beg me for any reason. I've given you so many chances to change, but no, you won't. You keep being stupid. Please, don't call me again. You won't get in touch with me again.
Hello, Machi. Hey, this kid don't cut my call, oh. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? Hey, hey, this guy has got the call on me, oh. What kind of nonsense is this now? Eh? Hey, why is switched off? It's switched off. Oh, Machi, please don't do this to me now. Angoli. Oh, Angoli.
Hey. What is it?
Angoli, please. Anytime you reach your sister, please help me talk to her. Tell her that I'm a changed person. I've stopped fighting. Yes, I will not fight again.
You've told her 1,000 times and you failed.
I'm not going to fail this time. I swear. Bikono.
There's no need for you swearing, okay? A pig will always remain a pig, anytime, any day. Ha!
Angoli, see, if I fail this time around, tell her not to talk to me anymore. Oh?
It's already too late.
Angoli. What is this? What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
If it was possible for a girl to change my life this way, why couldn't Machi change me? She tried all she could, but all to no avail.
Hey, what is it? What is it? Who are you?
What happened? Igwe have sent us to get him.
What did he do?
What did I do?
My friend entered this car.
For what? I am not going anywhere with you.
My friend, I will find you. Find him.
I'm coming with
For what?
Don't worry.
Hey, come on, stop it. Come on, stop it. Stop it.
Nah, follow him.
Only the Igwe. We answered that question. So now move it now.
Nah, it is Igwe. He won't move it.
See. Leave me alone. Move it.
Your Majesty, Bikonam. Ayo kanjirija.
Woman, you are making it appear as if I hate you or your son. No, I do not hate any of you. I am only helping you to reform him. By the time he comes back to you, you will notice reasonable change in his life. It's a promise.
Your Majesty, me too, I want him to be a changed person. I
have told you to go home. He will come back to you a better person. You will notice it.
Your Majesty, don't be angry. I just want to know the kind of punishment you will give to him and whether he's in safe hands.
God, I have just told you to go home and relax. He will be fine. You can be rest assured that he is in the safest hand.
I don't know what else to do. But Your Majesty, when will he be coming back? Today?
Not today.
Okay, tomorrow.
Not even tomorrow. He will be with us here for 3 days, and by the time he comes back to you, you will notice changes in his life. I am done with you.
Your Majesty,
hello? Sorry, I'm not
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment? Am I a slave? I am not a slave. I am a freeborn of this kingdom. Why am I being treated like this? Why? 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 What have I done? Oh my God. What have I done? What is this? Am I a slave? I am not a...
Who are you? What are you doing here?
My name is Okechukwu, the only son of Oku, the famous wine tapper.
How are you doing here in chains?
I want to know. I want to know. Some vigilante men came with boys and arrested me, saying that the king has asked them to come and arrest me.
My father asked them to arrest you?
Yes.
And put you in chains?
Yes.
Your Majesty, I was on my way to see you. Did you ask your men to arrest the boy outside?
Oh, yes, I did.
In other words, you did give them an instruction to met out that terrible treatment on him?
Of course I did.
Father, what did he do? I mean, no matter the crime he committed, he deserves something lenient. I mean, he deserves to be treated like a human being. I demand you give him another punishment.
And I suggest you look elsewhere to do your dance practice if seeing him is disgusting to you.
It's not about me. It's about you treating another human being as if he is less than human, as if he's nothing.
There is a reason I did what I did. I want him a reformed and a better subject. My father did it. My forefathers did it and yielded results. So allow me with the boy.
Times have changed. People have become civilized. Treating him that way is making him feel less than human. It's not nice. All I demand is that you give him another punishment. Certainly, there are other punishments that will make him learn from his bad.
I've heard you. Can you allow me to have a fresh air?
It's the 21st century. People know better. Please let him go.
I've heard you.
What could I have done? I had to accept my fate and go home. Am I going to argue with the king?
It is well.
But you know it is not well. God, you know it is not well because I am sure my son has not eaten anything since morning. All the sun that shone today beats my son. My son was chained to a rod. God, it is a woman that gave birth to that boy that is going through all that humiliation. All that inhuman treatment is my son. Oh, one woman, where we go,
I'm okay. You and I know that your son is a very stubborn boy. Huh? I think what the king is doing is to make him change his attitude, change his way of life. By the time he remembers what he has passed through in the palace, he will change.
I got there are better ways to do it. What the king is doing is just to give the dog a bad name to kill it. Subjecting that boy to that terrible condition is simply unimaginable. What are you saying? Wabozurori. Did he go to steal? He was only stubborn. Every other child on the street is stubborn. Why is his own different? Oh, wow.
Listen, let me tell you something. All of them will end in praise. Oh? Don't worry, just calm down.
Hey!
Calm down.
Okay, Chuku.
You see the whole of these things are happening now. They will all end in praise. It's just 3 days. After 3 days, it is over.
Will I survive till then?
You will survive. You will survive. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Don't twist this. Calm down. Oh?
My princess, thank you so much for making our time for me today.
It's nothing at all. I spent my entire day with you.
Yes, and I will forever remember this day. I'm so
glad.
grateful.
It's nothing, really.
My pleasure. I will have to leave now.
Oh yes, sure, and please drive carefully.
Yes, I will, and I'll talk to you over the phone.
Certainly. Good night. I mean, thank you.
Yes. Take care.
Bye.
What did I do? This is wickedness, oh. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody. I am innocent, oh. I am innocent. Hey, whoa. Hey. Why are you suffering me? I did not kill anybody.
What is that? My princess, the prisoner is still in chains.
You mean father did not release him after I had spoken to him and left?
No, my princess, he didn't.
He's still there in bounds, no food, no water?
Yes, my princess.
This is a joke.
This is wickedness. I'm thirsty. I am thirsty. Ew. Hey.
Who is there and what do you want? Who is there and what do you want?
It's Uju, father. I need to speak with you. Open the door.
Are you ordering the king?
No, but I need to speak with you. You are my father. Yes, you are king, but I still have the right to tell you how I feel.
You can as well talk. I can hear you loud and clear.
Father, is there any reason why you have refused to release the boy? I mean, how heartless can you be? You put him there bound in chains. No food, no water. He deserves his freedom no matter the evil he has done.
He still has 2 more days to stay with us.
Can you please release him? I mean, if you do not release him, I'm going to go into my room, no food, no water for me for the next 2 days until he's released. I mean, if you plan to show how wicked you are, then as your daughter, I want to have a share of your wickedness. Father, Your Majesty,
Did you succeed?
No, Your Majesty. She wouldn't open the door for me.
She wouldn't open the door for you.
Yes, Your Majesty. She said if it's not with the news of the release of the prisoner that nobody should come to her door.
I see.
Your Majesty, she hasn't eaten since last night. She came back from the outing with Prince of Umunachi Kingdom.
I've heard you.
Your Majesty, she...
Which part of I've heard you do you not understand?
I am sorry, Your Majesty.
Now leave my presence.
Is this a crime?
princess. My princess. My princess, the prisoner has been released. He has gone home. My princess, the prisoner has been set free.
What are you saying to me?
The prisoner has been released. He's no longer there.
Are you lying to me?
Why would I lie to you, my princess? He's not there.
Are you sure father didn't take him somewhere else just so I can open the door?
That I wouldn't know, my princess. But it was the same vigilante boys that brought him in that also took him out.
Go and make sure that he's the same person who's safe. Go out there, ask questions and make findings. Bring word back to me.
Okay, my princess.
What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? I'm Guinea can marry. Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Look at you. Why always me? Look at you.
No, Mama. How are you? How are you? How are you?
Mama, if I will change, I am not changing because of the Igwe. Because his action would have succeeded in increasing the terror of the demon in me. Eh? If I'm going to change, I will change because of the princess.
Yeah. How? May God bless that girl for me. Eh? Do you know that I was not even expecting you to return so soon? I was still counting down on the 3 days ultimatum when you suddenly showed up this morning. To my surprise, God will bless that girl for me.
Mama, no one has ever done that.
Oh.
I've not seen her before. She didn't know me. We have not met before, yet she believed that I'm a human that deserves to be treated well. Mama, I grew up with this stigma that I'm a bad boy. That I'm a very stubborn person. No one has ever seen any good in me.
I've seen good in you.
Mama, but for once, somebody believed that I'm a human that deserves so much respect and regard. Mama, let me tell you, I will live up with the expectation that the terror in me died this morning. And the violet in me is overtaken by show of her care.
Hey!
Eze binigwe. Nna binigwe ogodogo na akpọ n'anị. Thank you for saving my son. Thank you for saving my Okechukwu. Thank you. Thank you. Akama abụọ n'igwe. Nna m. Ọkwa ha nọrọ ha ya. Hey. Hey. What do I cook for you?
If you want to,
Which one?
so much. Mama, is this only this one washing?
They've managed to wash this one.
Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings, Nkegukwa.
I come in peace. The princess asked me to come and see if he has truly been released or if he has been taken to another hidden place to continue the punishment.
As you can see, he's here.
You're welcome.
He's the princess. Tell her that she is back. Eh? Please thank her for me.
Okay, ma.
He's alive today because of her. Oh?
Yes, ma.
Tell her, may God bless her.
Amen.
God will give her a good husband that will love her.
Amen.
And take care of her.
Amen.
She has a good heart.
My regrets to her.
All right.
Hey, woman. Thank you. Oh?
Thank you, ma.
Thank her for me.
Thank you, ma. I'll take my leave now.
Oh, God. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh. Please greet her for me.
Okay, ma.
Hey.
Oh. She's an angel in human form.
Afomia.
She's a nice person.
Afomia. Bye-bye, yo. Hey, kenere mia, oh. Is it not better like that? That girl, eh?
She's a nice person.
She's a nice person. Oh!
She's just an angel.
His mother is so happy. She's so excited.
I'm glad to hear that.
She kept on releasing words of blessings for you, and I was just shouting, Amen, Amen.
That's making me so emotional right now.
Even the boy is still in our way. It was written all over his face.
I'm so glad. Now I can take a bath and finally eat something. Please ask them to prepare for me.
When you look at my eyes, someone is in love. My body they shake you. No cause for love. When you look at my eyes, no cause for love. My body they shake you. He gave away. He's a local boy.
I'm okay. Here. Oh. I got it. Hey. Oh. I'm okay.
I heard that the king has released your son.
Oh, Nemo. Kisereno. I'm safe for. I was here in this house when I heard human movement. When I came out to look and see who it was, lo and behold, it was my own Okechukwu. The same boys that picked him up were the same boys that brought him back. I was happy, at the same time surprised. How managed Okechukwu Amarom?
Here! Thank God. Thank God.
It was the princess. It was the princess that swore not to eat or drink until the king, her father, releases my own Okechukwu for me. And lo and behold, the king had no option than to release my Okechukwu. That's how my son came back.
Mama, okay? You and your son will go and thank her. Seriously. Honestly, that day that I was going back home, I was thinking about it. And the thought almost made me run mad.
How will Okechukwu be in that condition for 3 solid days?
And he would have died.
Yeah!
If the princess didn't persuade the father to release my son, if that boy had stayed there the next 3 days, he would have died. But you know what? The plans of the enemies of my life and my son, the devil, those that wanted my son eliminated by all means, they have been brought to shame. They have been disgraced woefully.
Bam!
Their plans have failed and collapsed.
Bam!
They have been disgraced and exposed. I have my son back. My Okechukwu is back.
Mama, okay.
Healthy and happy.
I thank God. I thank God.
I thank him.
I will always thank God.
Please, let me go and find you something to eat.
Let's go. Hi.
Yes.
Hey.
I'm so happy.
Mama, okay. Mama, okay.
Come in.
Good morning, my princess. There is someone out there who wants to see you, my princess.
I do not want to see anyone. In fact, tell Prince Afam that I'm sleeping.
But it's not Prince Afam, my princess.
Then who is it?
It's the boy you made your father set free the other time.
Really?
Yes, my princess.
Very well then. I'll be with him shortly.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave no good for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. Yeah. He gave no good, he's a low life boy.
Which do I open first? This is so beautiful. How did he know I love white? Oh Lord, plus I didn't even ask his name. I heard the color white represents purity, light, and safety. You are an angel. He noted the word angel. I like that. I do.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave no good for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. Yeah. He gave no good.
So how did it go?
Mama, she was happy when she saw me.
Yes. How about the gift? Did she like it?
Ma, at first, she refused collecting the gift, but I insisted, and she collected it.
You know,
I'm sure she will like it.
He's a woman. Oh, you do wine. She will like it.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh,
wow.
She was so happy when she saw me.
Oh,
You need to see, you need to see.
We got a woman like it. Okay, let's go now.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
My mates, how are they supposed to join us?
Well, my princess, please give me the pleasure of being at your service until this date is over. For now, I can stay back and take care of the house. I will be your maid and do anything you want me to.
Awesome. Very well then. Okay. Go back to your rooms. I'll let you know when I get back.
Iron planting.
Okay, stop there. What is it? My friend, out of my way. Hey, stop there.
Huh? You will show us your strength today. After almost cutting my brother impotent, and you think I can leave you? Come here. You want me to kill you now? Quiet! Don't try me. Unyala. Yeah? Unyala. Don't try me. I will tear you now. Idiot. Unyala. Iron plantain. Gone plantain.
Wait, stop the car.
Who's that?
I need to say hello to someone.
Charlie, stop the car.
You!
Hey! My princess! My princess! What are you doing here?
My princess.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You didn't think it wise to drop by?
My princess, you know, I would have loved to be coming around, but, you know, I'm
a very simple person. You should drop by.
Okay, now that you've given me the license, let's come to the palace.
Where are you off to?
I'm going to sell this plantain for my mother.
That is so thoughtful of you.
Yes.
Oh, it's nothing, really. What's your name?
My name is Okay Chuku.
Okay, so I'll be expecting you.
Yes, tomorrow.
It's a date.
I'll start going now.
You should.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Same here.
Sir, please. Oh, sorry.
You need help?
No. Yeah, my princess. Bye. Take care, oh.
So who's he?
friend?
A friend?
You have a problem with that?
Well, I'm just wondering what this kind of friend, this commoner, will do for you.
I actually choose my friends for myself, not for anyone else.
I see.
Shall we?
Yes, after you. Would you? I'm so happy to know. I don't know why.
I'm pretty. It's obvious you are.
Yes. You see, I'm so excited.
It's a good thing.
I'm not always like this.
It's a good thing, really. It is.
You see, I always wanted to do this. My life can never be completed without you. You're all I need right now. Please, be the mother of my unborn kids. Be my wife. Oju, please do not say no. I love you so much.
Can you please sit? Just sit for like can you? Let's just talk for like a minute.
You want me to sit down?
Yes, please.
You want me to sit down now?
Okay, yes.
Okay, I will sit.
I don't see you like somebody I want to spend the rest of my life with. No, I see you more like a friend. You know, like a close friend. That's how I see you now.
So you're saying I have not done enough to win your love? I've not done enough to impress you?
No. You're a good person. You're such a gentleman. You're lovely, but.
Oh, okay. Listen. Tell me whatever you want. Anything you want to win your heart. Anything. Is it a new car? Anyone. A trip to wherever you want in the world. I will take care of it. All I want you to do is say yes to me. Please. I do not want to lose you.
Time. Can you perhaps give me time? Listen, I'm sorry, I just don't know how to pretend, and I need time to build my emotions to where you've built yours to.
Okay, no problem. Time. I'll give you time.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm not. I'm sorry.
Ovindeleju. Chukumale hono maherewo. Ovindeleju.
It seems somebody made good money for his mother today.
Tata Oyaka.
Nah.
Mama.
No. Oh.
You think it's money that is making me happy? Eh?
What else can make a man happy if not money?
Mama, sit down. Let me tell you what is making me happy. Sit down.
Tell me.
Mama, I am the happiest person on earth today.
Tell me the reason you are happy.
Mama, listen. Mama, see you on my way to the market to sell my plantain. 2 boys jumped out from one uncompleted building and attacked me, saying that I almost made their brother impotent. Can you imagine?
Who is your brother?
Do I know? Mama, do I know? Maybe somebody must have paid them to do that. You understand? Mama, these boys just came out from nowhere and attacked me with a stick. Saying, we'll deal with you today. You show us your power today. You always made our brother impotent. Wanted to rush me and I bounced on them. Mama, I overpowered them. I bounced on them. I seriously bounced on them. One ran and I faced one. Mama, I raised my hand with my serious punch. Mama, I almost break this boy's jaw. I wanted to punch Mama. Oh, Mama, something came to my mind. And I remembered the promise I made to the princess. Mama, my punch got weak. I brought down my hand and I left this boy. Mama, I did not fight though. I did not touch this boy. But I hit him a bit. Come on, leave this place, Byron.
Oh, thank you for making my son a change tonight. Okay,
Mama, thank you. Mama, the greater part of it happened today. Guess what? Guess who I saw today? Guess who stopped from her car and called me?
Who?
Mama, the princess.
Cousin, it's a lie.
I could come here already. She to come to the palace. She invited me over. So Mama, tomorrow I'll be on my way to the palace. I'm telling you, you could go me already. Bagam.
What do you come now? So how much do you sell the plantain? The plantain, how much? This is the season. It's scarce now.
Mama, wait. So all these things I've been telling you serious story, how I wanted to throw my punch and everything, and princess and Mama. So it's plantain that is your business.
All of them are very important, but the plantain, ego no obarabofu.
What's going on? You've been fiddling with your phone. Why aren't you talking to me?
I'm here.
Charlie, let's take her home and come back here to meet me.
Excuse you. I did not say I want to go home. What's wrong with you? I only said I needed more time. Why are you acting up? You know what? Forget it. Charlie, please take me home.
Yes, where are you? Please do meet me at my usual restaurant. It's very urgent and important. 30 minutes. Alright, I'll wait for you.
Precious, I don't get it. Where did I go wrong? Why does your friend hate me so much? Why?
Wait a minute, I want to understand. You mean you proposed to her and she said no?
Yes, I did. Look, with this, I proposed to her and she said she needed more time. I mean, why does she need more time? Why? Tell me. Haven't I been patient enough with her? Haven't I?
You have.
So what is the problem?
Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm going to talk it over with her. Just calm down. I will.
Precious, you need to talk to her. You need to talk to her. I don't know if it's something I did. Listen, I am willing to repent of the act. Tell her I am ready to apologize. Okay? I can't imagine life without her. I love her so much. I want her to be my wife. Please. Okay? Please.
Don't worry. I promise I'll talk to her. Just calm down, okay? I don't just like your mood. Calm down.
Okay. I'll try to calm down. I'll try to calm down.
Better.
You promise? You promise?
I promise.
Okay. Okay.
Don't worry. Drink up. Calm down. Just drink up.
Cheers.
Yeah, of course.
You talked to her, right?
I will, I promise.
Oh. Thank you.
Drink.
Thank you. I trust you.
Better.
Why does he think he did something wrong to me? I mean, what on earth makes him think that I'm upset with him?
Because you rejected, you refused to accept his proposal.
I did not reject his proposal. I said I'll think about it. You know, the only thing I know is that love takes time. I mean, I know that he's handsome, he's rich, he's caring, he's a good man from a royal family. But I need time so I can develop feelings for him before I accept his proposal. That's all.
You need time. So after 3 months of becoming close friends, and you didn't have any feelings for him, what makes you think giving another 3 months you have feelings for him?
Hostilities, everything. I mean, the way we are now isn't really where we first met. I'm certain the way we'll be in a couple of months will be stronger than the way we are now. Does that make any sense?
Okay, sure. You have a point.
Thank God. Don't please. I'm not. Come on. I'm not. Seriously, I'm not.
My prince, there is no cause for alarm yet. She's still interested in you. Just keep doing what you're doing, but forget about the proposal for now. Maybe after 2 months, you come back. I believe there must be something.
Well, Precious, how did he come to the conclusion that she's still interested in me? How?
Well, she said so many nice things about you.
Really?
Yes. Like, you're good. You're caring.
Yes.
Like you're handsome. Royal. So many nice things about you, actually.
Wow. She said all these nice things about me.
Yes, actually I was surprised you said all that.
Wow. Oh, Precious, you just made my day. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
My princess.
Mm-hmm. Very well then. You can go now.
Are you alright?
Oh, yes, perfectly. I'm actually full, Father. Thank you so much for breakfast. I beg to be excused. Okay, Chiku, right?
You're right, my princess.
Please, sit. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
Did keep to your word.
Yes.
It's kind of you to visit.
Yes.
How's your mother?
My princess, she's fine. She sent her regrets.
Oh, that's so kind.
You know, something happened that day before I met you, which I never told you.
Really?
Yes. While I was going to the market with my plantain, you know, two boys just jumped out from the bush and attacked me. You know, one was saying that I fought his brother, that I almost killed his brother. Before I knew it, they started fighting me. They even wanted to break my head, but I fought back. You know, I raised my hand when I wanted to punch his face. I raised my hand and I wanted to punch his face. And immediately I remembered what you... I remember the promise I made to you. Then my hand hung. I didn't punch again.
That's lovely to hear.
You know, so
violence doesn't solve anything. So I'm so proud to hear that.
I knew by now that the king must have been greeted with the news that the boy he kept in the cage fought Anoda and almost killed him. But thank God you showed up. Knowing you has actually changed my life.
That's so kind. I mean, it's lovely to hear. So, what do we offer you?
Oh, my princess, I don't know. I normally like Zobo.
You have kept your word by visiting, so...
Thank you very much.
It's nothing, really.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave no good for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. He's a low life boy. Love is greater than words.
I will take my leave now.
Very well then. Okay. My regards to your mother.
I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love, love. Go straight to my heart, Papa when you went, Papa when you go straight to my heart, Papa when you went, Papa when you go straight to my love, Papa when you went, Papa when you went.
Is that not the same guy who saw you that day on the road?
Yes. Anything?
Well, nothing. It's just that I've only seen you this happy twice. The other day on the road, and now.
What are you insinuating?
Well, I'm not insinuating anything. I'm just making an honest observation.
So much for honesty. I beg to be excused.
I'd like to go to my room to change my outfit.
You're well excused.
Thank you.
Do it like this. My prince, that guy is her boyfriend.
Is that what you think?
My prince, can't you see the blueprint? It's not what I think. It's written all over her. She couldn't even hide it.
Charlie.
My prince.
Why do you think she will choose a low life over me? Why?
That guy is an obstruction. A distraction to your relationship with her. And if that distraction is not taken away, she will never ever take you seriously. Never.
Charlie?
My prince.
I want to know who that boy is. Find out everything. I mean, everything about him.
Now you are talking, my prince. Leave that to me.
Is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love.
Am I falling in love or what? No, I mean, why am I finding it difficult to feel something for our fam? Yet I can't control my emotions about Okechukwu. God help me, because this love is not making sense to me. I'm so confused right now.
Love is greater than words because it's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my child. I don't wanna know.
Okechukwu, what the princess did for you was born out of her own understanding of how a human being should be treated. There is nothing special to it. Listen, light and darkness have no relationship. Nothing will make it happen. Did you hear me?
Mama, why are you so fast in judging? Eh? How can I nurse feelings for someone who is already taken? She's dating a prince who always come to their house to see her. And I think they are getting married very soon. Hey, Mama, what makes you think that me, a papa, will be nursing feelings for a princess? Hey, Mama, how can she leave their house, their castle, to come and stay with us in this house? Mama, it's not possible. Don't think like that.
You want me to believe you? Okechukwu, I know. You want me to believe you? Stop deceiving yourself.
Mama, Princess and I are just friends. We are not doing anything. I can just take the help she rendered to me for granted. I can't just do that. Yes.
That's good. That's better. But like I said before, you cannot deceive me. So don't deceive yourself.
even those tears could not stop me from my reckless life. That Sunday, on my way back home, I still fought Anayo. It became obvious that I couldn't stop fighting. I decided to forget about Machi and continue with my life and my fighting life, since nobody can stop me from it. But here comes someone who has proved me wrong. Without much shouting and scolding, without much warning and threatening, she stopped me from fighting. Just with pure love. Love indeed is the strongest force.
I can't believe this. I can't. My dear sister, you just have to believe it though. You just have to. How can the princess of all people fall in love with a tout? Do you know what baffles me? No. She now has to leave Prince Afam just to be with him. But come to think of it, Kechuku no longer fights regularly like before. Yeah, it's true. We've not heard of his escapade in a long while. No, we haven't. Meaning that what Angoli's sister couldn't achieve, the princess has. Yeah, that's the big point. This princess, there must be something extraordinary about this girl. Obviously, there's something extraordinary about her. How is that supposed to be my business? It's your business because you pushed your sister into leaving Okechukwu, thinking Okechukwu is a tout and he's meant to end up with touts. Oh, so you like how Ikechukwu has been going around the village shamelessly, fighting every time? Your sister would have helped change him since he claimed he loved him. Oh, someone that was not even ready to accept change, that kind of person. Okay, how is she going to start from? She tried her best. Please, oh. The same way the princess changed him. Or didn't you notice that he no longer fight like before? Yes. The princess has really changed him. That's the power of love. Now, someone that is expected to end up with a tout now ended up with a princess. Can't you see? Are they getting married? I don't think the king will allow his daughter to leave Prince Afam. Bam! Okay, let's watch and see. A tout, a street fighter. There you go. Change. Change, come, change.
I can't explain it. I mean, You're my closest friend. Of course. It's about that boy. I mean, something about him makes me lose control of myself. Something about me. I mean, I can't explain it. It's so frustrating, but something about him gives me peace. Gives me happiness. Like a part of me wants to spend all my day with him. I mean, part of me is asking me why. I mean, how? But I feel like I'm in love with him. This is serious. What an irony. Thank you. This is... It's ridiculous, right? I mean, you are awesome. Like how? I mean, I read this in books. I see it in movies. I watch it on TV. This boy is... He's a clear definition to me of what love feels like. Of what peace feels like. And I keep asking myself, why? Why don't I feel the same way for Prince Afam? Why him? Well, seriously, this is bad. Very bad.
Your father won't let that happen.
And Prince Afam that I know will not accept it that you left him for a low life.
Point exactly. That is my point. I mean, I can't even introduce that boy to anyone as my man, let alone my father. But what I feel for him is real. It's strong. It's stronger than life itself. I need help.
Seriously, I wish I am in the position to help. But love is a strong thing. Just look around you. Don't be blindfolded with the feelings you think you have for him. Study your environment and try to make the right decision. That's all I can tell you.
Hey, not a word of this to anyone. Not even Prince Afam.
Okay. I won't. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be alright, okay?
Nakas, Falamu, my body they shake you. He gave away. He's a locker boy.
I want to find out how far you and Prince Afam have gone.
We're doing great. Everything's fine.
That's good. You mean he has not said anything about marriage yet?
Well, he did propose.
Oh, that's great.
I told him I needed more time.
More time?
Yes.
What for?
I needed time to get to know him. Better still to build up my emotions for him.
Oh, you mean there are other suitors that I did not know?
No. Marriage is for life, Dad. So I need to be certain I'm not making a mistake before I jump into it.
You know, I promised your mother on her dying bed that I will live to see you a happy woman. And marriage to a king is the greatest gift I will give to you as my daughter and the princess. So, go ahead and accept the prince. If he proposes, I am your father. I will never deceive or mislead you.
Even when I don't feel anything for him.
Marriage is beyond feelings. Why feelings are fantasies? Marriage is reality. And the reality on ground is that Prince Afam is the best man for you. So accept the reality. That's it.
Dad, Your Majesty, I really need time to build up my emotions for Afam.
I'll get back to you.
Good morning, ma.
Yes, any problem?
Not a problem. The princess asked me to come and call your son, Okechukwu.
Tell her you did not see him when you came. Or did you see him around here?
Can you please pass the message across to Okay when he returns?
I'll do that.
Thank you, ma. I will leave now.
No. Stay here. Stay. Maybe we'll enter one of the rooms.
Mama, why is your mind so twisted? I've told you that Princess and I are not doing anything wrong. Mama, we're just fond of each other. We just love to be together, just nothing else.
Which you got no? So I'm the bad person. How can a grown man like you, a full-grown man like the princess, be fond of each other just because you want to be fond of each other? Didn't you see a boy to be fond of Okechukwu? It is a girl. Not just an ordinary girl, but the princess. Do you want to bring that upon yourself with your own hands? Why can't you trade with caution, my son?
Mama, stop it. Please stop it. I've told you we're not doing anything wrong. Eh? Mama, she already has a suitor. And very soon they are getting married. We're just fond of each other, that's all. Yeah. What are you having now? Mind is stop having dirty mind.
The dirty one, no problem. My mind is twisted.
We're done. Babazin, going.
Okay, come back.
Mama, go in now. We are done.
Come and help me do something. Come, let's go and cook.
You said
plantain the other day. This one you can put
okay.
the yam for me.
Okay, let's go and cook. Let's go and cook.
Okay, Chubu.
Oh, Mama Chubu. Leave me alone, please.
Coming.
My princess, he just came in now. It is obvious his mother sent the message across.
Okay, Chukwu is here?
Yes, at the outer counter.
Bring him in here.
My princess.
What did I ask you to do?
Yes, my princess. The princess said we should come up to her room.
Eh? Are you talking to me?
Is there any other person here with us?
I do not understand what you mean.
She said I should bring you up to her room.
To her room?
Yes.
Hey.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. If I cheat the other girl, I can only see what will be, shall be. What will be, must be. Makachuku Pechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love.
Princess.
Leave us.
My princess, she said you said I should come in.
Yes. Are you scared?
Your father might come in here and...
is out of town.
But we can sit at our normal place.
No. I do not want to sit at our normal place. I want to stay here. In my bedroom. Just you and I.
Okay, but then
I need to ask you a question. And I want the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Yeah?
I know you know what it means to love a woman. What it means to feel something for someone. I don't know how you feel about me. But I do know how I feel about you. Something about you makes me so happy. Gives me inner peace and fulfillment. A part of me wants to just be with you all day. I love you. I want you to tell me, do you feel the same way about me too?
My princess, I feel the same way for you. And I feel like my life is incomplete without you. Seeing your face is the greatest gift nature can give me. But then I know we are from different worlds, but I feel the same for you. I know giving a voice to these feelings might lead to my untimely death.
No.
I'm the only child of my mother.
No. Maybe not. Maybe we are created to make history. History of love. Maybe we are destined to tell the story. The greatest story of love ever told. At least we can try. Who knows? We might win at the end.
No, my princess. You know.
Say no more. Say no more. Trust me. And touch me.
No, my princess. I cannot do this.
Wait, no, wait.
You, but you wouldn't believe me. I told you.
Let's get out of here.
How can Igwe Atuegu condone such? How can he allow that boy sneak into his palace to defile that girl? Under his watch? How? Why?
The father was not in the house. I heard he traveled out of the country for a medical checkup.
What?
Yes.
Her father traveled and she couldn't hold herself. She had to stoop so low as to bring in that brats, that low life, that nobody into her father's palace. How? How could she possibly be on the same bed with that stink of a boy? I am so disappointed in her. I am disappointed in her. You see, I can't believe that she's been lying to me all this while.
It's still possible she's not lying to you.
How do you mean?
It's still possible she's not having an affair with the boy.
Precious, do I look like a fool to you? Do I look dumb? Now I'm telling you that I saw that boy sneak out of the palace. And where else would he possibly be coming from, if not the princess's room? Now you tell me. Or the courtyard wasn't good enough for them?
Just calm down. Calm down. Don't conclude yet.
Well, I will conclude. She has betrayed me because of that boy. And I won't take it lightly with the both of them. I will not take it lightly with the both of them.
Just calm down. What's all this? Calm down, please.
How could you condescend so low? Why? What has come over you? Why would you let that boy into your room?
I needed to know how he feels about me. I needed to tell him how I feel about him. And he confirmed it. He loves me too.
Really? So that's the reason you let him into your room?
We did not do anything. He did not stay here up to 10 minutes before he ran away.
And who would believe that?
You. You're my friend. Even if the whole world doesn't believe me, you have to believe me. And that's what friendship represents, right?
Wait a minute. So you finally want to reject Prince Afam's proposal because of that boy?
I love him. Precious. My heart, my soul, my body, everything about me accepts him. And I will fight this. I don't know if I'm going to win, but I will fight this. I will obey my heart against all odds. I will fight this.
My prince, where are we going to?
To Igwa Tuegu's palace to see Princess Uju.
My prince, after what she did to you?
Charlie.
My prince.
Princess Uju belongs to me and no one else. Now nobody can take her away from me. Is that clear?
Yes, my prince.
Good. I'll take me to my bride to be.
But I'm so disappointed in you. How could you stoop so low?
Have you forgotten your royalty? For Christ's sake, you are the princess.
That doesn't mean I do not have blood running down my veins. I mean, they have blood running down their veins just the way I have blood running down my veins. And unless, of course, I allow pride and ego come between me and them, we're equals.
Well, is that why you lied to me? You told me he was just your friend. I never knew he was my rival.
Well, I am sorry I lied to you. He's the one I love. Everything I am and everything I stand for wants to be with him. And I am tired of lying to him or hiding my feelings away from him because he's a commoner.
I see. It's all making sense now.
What? Meaning?
Well, may I remind you that I am Prince Afamefuna Wanganga, the son and true blood of the late king Wanganga III, the grandson of Wanganga the Great, the only man that stood against the white men and stopped them from approaching his territory. We do not take no for an answer. I have spent too much time and resources to back out now because of that thing. Whatever I want, I get. Now if I, Prince Afamefuna Wanganga, do not marry you, no man under the sun born by a woman will.
Are you threatening me?
Well, I just stated the obvious. And you have a good day, princess.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. If I cheat the other girl, Akualisia, what will be, shall be. What will be, must be. Makachuku Kechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for l'amour, my body they shake you. Ike he's a local boy. Ike na uke fedidia, he's a low life boy. Ike he's a local boy. Ike He's a low life boy.
Never! I am Prince Alphamifuna Mwanganga. Nobody messes with me. Nobody.
I left for 1 week. Just 1 week. You turned the entire palace into a brothel. Sneaking in that dirty criminal into my palace. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Was that what you were taught in schools abroad?
Dad, he is not a criminal. Can you stop giving him names that he doesn't bear?
And that's what gave you the audacity to sneak him into my palace. To defy you.
It did not defile me. I was the one who invited him into my bedroom. He didn't stay up to 10 minutes before he left. We did nothing.
Can you hear yourself? No, can you just hear yourself? If he is that intelligent, if he is not a common criminal, how could he have followed you into your bedroom, in your father's house? Eh? How many times have Prince Alpha visited you into your bedroom? Does that not show you that he is a common criminal, unintelligent, a vagabond?
I'm sorry, Dad. It's not his fault. I was the one who invited him into my bedroom.
And he followed you. He has no home training. How could he? A promiscuous rogue. That's what he is. Why did I walk him wrong? That's what you are telling me. Nonsense.
So you said they did not tell you where they came from?
No, if not that, they came like robbers. If not that they came with police uniform, I thought they were robbers. They were just shooting into the air, threatened to kill me. They threatened to kill my son. And me and my son tried to escape. One of them wanted to kill me, not that I was begging and begging. That was who would have killed me. I want to know.
It's okay. Hey, let's go to the nearby police station.
Let's go now.
Madam,
Yes,
are you saying they didn't come with any search warrants or any identification of any type?
Nothing, sir. Apart from their long guns. Actually, 2 policemen shot into the air when they were trying to force my son into their waiting van.
Sir, they did not come with any form of identification.
I'm sorry, this is not a legitimate arrest. You see, no policeman will arrest any suspect in such a barbaric manner.
DPO, please don't be angry. Are you saying they were not real policemen? Who are they then?
Madam, I haven't said that yet.
It's okay, it's okay. DPO, what do you suggest we do now?
I suggest you go to Zone 16 Omoabia. They may be from the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. You go there and other SAS offices. In fact, search from station to station. I think you'll get result.
Hey!
Madam, calm down.
Hey!
DPO, I want to thank you. I think we should be on our way.
Okay.
Hey!
It's enough. Stop this day. Stop crying, Biko.
Where have they taken my son? How are you sure they have not killed my son?
Why are you talking like that? Okechukwu is with the police.
Which police? Which police? The DPO sent us around all the police stations, including the SAS. None of them accepted to have sent the team that came to arrest my son. I couldn't even recognize any of the faces of the boys that came to arrest my son.
Don't you say it. Don't say it at all.
I have said it all. The boys that came to take my son are hired killers. They are hired assassins. They have killed my son.
God forbid. God forbid bad thing.
God forbid. God has allowed it.
Mban.
God has allowed this one to go already.
Don't say it. Don't say it at all. God forbid. It will never happen.
I have said it already.
Mban. Yeah. Don't be saying things like that. Oh?
I say it because it has happened.
Never. Never. Sorry, dear.
This is a bad omen. This is a bad omen.
It is not. It is just a coincidence. It is not. Stop saying things like that. We will find Okechukwu.
Are you sure?
Yes. We will find him.
You have heard her. She said we are going to find my son Okechukwu.
Of course, we will find him.
Even if I'm not answering my prayers, answer this one.
Amen.
Let me find my son.
Amen.
Let my son come back to me.
Amen.
It's
enough. It's enough. It's enough. Oh?
I'm the only son of my mother. Please stop you.
Okay, shut up for that place, idiot. Okay, light this guy. Okay, shut up there.
Please.
Only son of your mother. If you're your cross, carry him. Idiot.
It's 2 days now. I don't even know where my son is. I don't know where they have taken him. I don't know where he is.
Mamoke, those men
were assassins. But I don't know who must have sent them. You must know the kind of influence you command in this country. To send men in police uniform and police gun to eliminate anyone that is contending with you.
I don't know who he's contending with. Just a few days ago, he came back and told me that some men accosted him on the road and warned him to stay away from the princess.
Wait. I don't understand. Was he seeing the princess?
I don't know. I warned my son to stay away from the princess. He said they were not doing anything wrong, that they were only fond of each other. That even the princess was betrothed to one Prince Afam. That they were going to get married with that prince. I warned him.
The question is, was okay seeing the princess?
From what the thing is happening now, it's like he was seeing the princess.
What are we talking about? Just look at it.
Ogini.
That is the point.
You can't get so you send more better hope no sim them what even hey Kinegebo. Hey Nina Bubada Diro. I don't say because say no what are we talking about? Hey, okay, you
The king doesn't want to see you.
I want to see the king. I'm not even here to see the king. I want to see the king. King, I want to see you. I want to see you on here. My princess, please, I want to see the king.
Why? What is wrong?
My son Okechuku is missing. Some men came to the house with police uniform and guns and took my son away. Now look for him. All the police stations around there can't find him.
Woman, you are disturbing
quiet. David said that those people that came were hired killers. Maybe they have killed my son. Please let me see the king and tell him everything as it happened.
Hired killers?
Yes.
1 minute.
Can I go now? What is it?
Why don't you want to see the wailing woman outside?
Because I don't want to see her.
She's your subject.
I choose to see who I want to see.
Are you aware her son is missing?
I'm not interested.
I hope you have nothing to do with this, father. Because if you do, I swear on my life, I will... I hope you have nothing to do with this.
I want to see you. Leave me alone. I want to see you. Go away, go away. Onyobi Akpo, Amusu.
Mama. I need
Mom.
you to relax. Go
Oh.
home and rest. It's no longer your battle. It's mine now.
Thank you.
I'll get word across to you before nightfall.
Oh, bless you.
I'll ensure to give you information if he's alive or dead.
Please go back to me. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, hi.
Ask my maid to give you my car key.
Yes, my princess.
Yes, yes. It's not a problem.
I'll have to talk to you later. I have a visitor. Yes, no problem. My princess.
You've carried out your threat, right?
What's the problem? Why is your countenance like this?
The boy. What have you done to him?
What boy?
The boy I told you I love. You'd better call those men to release that boy. The same men you sent to his house to pick him up.
What the hell are you talking about?
I am talking about the boy who was hung. The boy I told you I loved. Listen. I am warning you. Ask those men to release him. If anything happens to him, I'll kill you and I'll kill myself.
What the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the boy.
Listen, I don't understand what you're talking about. You need to calm down and talk to me. What are you talking about?
I'm not here to play with you. I'm not even here to answer questions from you. Release him and that's the final warning.
Why are you talking like what has happened to the boy? I don't get you. What's your problem? Can you talk to me?
I'm done.
Charlie! Charlie! Charlie!
Get the car keys. We need to follow her now.
Why did your son, okay, not stop seeing the princess after the warning from those hoodlums? Now, look at where it has landed him.
No, my son stopped seeing the princess. He didn't see her again. He stopped seeing. Listen, he said his life was more important to him than whatever he shared with the princess. In fact, he never went to see her again. That is why I never suspected that the threat had anything to do with those men.
Let us not apportion blames to anybody now, or looking for who to blame. All we have to do is to pray to God and begin to strategize for the next plan.
Mama, okay, I want to ask you again. What is the princess doing? Since, or is she not aware that the person she is fond of is missing?
I've gone to the palace and I met with the princess. She said she was going to do something about it, that she will get to the root of the matter and get back to me today.
Oh God.
What are you thanking God for? What are you thanking God for? No! Tell me, why are you thanking God? See, if those men are not real policemen, where are both of you expecting them to keep the boy? In real police net? No! Tell me.
Anozie.
Eh?
What are you trying to say?
What I am saying is that we should continue to pray that the boy is alive.
Hey! Okay, CJ. Why are you like this? You have started. Yeah, go on. Start another part of crying. You have started.
Your son is alive. He's alive. Don't man us, eh? Yeah.
Amen.
We will find him.
It's okay. If the boy is alive and you will find him, both of you should continue to look for him. Anam.
Hey! 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 Ewo! Okay, Chuku. Hey! Ha!
Calm down. You have started. We will see him. We will see Okechukwu. Nothing will happen to him. Oh?
Is it a crime? Is this a crime?
What?
She's not in the mood to see you.
What nonsense mood are you talking about? Now go up there and tell her that the prince is here to see her.
But she doesn't want to see you.
Then I'm left with no option than to go up there myself.
My prince.
Excuse me!
The king won't be happy, my prince.
My princess! Princess, you have to open the door. I need to talk to you now.
I'm not opening the door for you. I do not intend speaking with you. You better go bring that boy from wherever you're hiding him.
My princess, you have to believe me. I do not have a hand in that boy's disappearance.
You are lying and you know it.
It's not a lie. I'm telling you the truth. You are accusing the wrong person.
You said you will do it and now you have done it. Go bring the boy back.
You have to believe me. I didn't do it.
Then who did?
Oh, okay, fine. I sent some men over to you, asking to stop seeing you. I did because I love you. Yes, I couldn't stand the pain of watching him steal you away from me. They only went there to warn him. Yes, which he agreed not to come see you again. But not adopt him. I never sent anyone to adopt him. I'm just a man in love, my princess. I'm ready to do anything for the woman I love, but not mother. I am not a murderer.
You are such a royal liar. Leave. Go bring the boy from wherever you kept him.
I am not lying. I'm saying the truth. Could you help me talk to her, please?
You have heard her. Please, let's go before the king comes.
No, I can't just leave like
Please,
that.
What's going on here?
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Greetings.
I said, what is going on here? Isn't it?
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, you said I came here to talk to the princess. She's accusing me of a crime I did not commit.
You have the inner court and the outer court to discuss whatever business you have with her. Not here!
Yes, Your Majesty. I'll leave now.
I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. I did.
What have I done wrong? Why is everything crumbling? Why on earth is my entire world crumbling down? What is wrong in loving a human being who has blood running down his veins? Why are they even inflicting so much hurt on this widow? Her son is our only hope of survival. No, Rachel has to be found. And today, he has to be found dead or alive. And better not dead. Better not dead.
Another night. Yet another night. I've not heard anything from my son. Neither have I seen him. And the princess did not even keep to her promise. My friend, she did not. She did not keep to her promise. I've not seen anything that looks like her around this place. She failed me. God, do not allow this to happen. It's going to be very bad, Rob. It's going to be very bad. Lenu. My friend Lenu. Androm didi mebu didi muda wa ojiro darabu wa bu. Maraga wa de weri vembere we ye wa bu. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. I wasn't there to protect you. I'm sorry I failed you. I'm sorry I failed your mother. But never mind. I will only fail you this once. I will not fail you again.
Remember what I told you? We could make the greatest love story ever told in the history of humanity. This, I tell you, is a promise. I will find you. I will.
Abuzanyega mama gini kamero. What is my crime? Amayo gini can commit. Amayo alele bukwa bukwa alele.
Do not shout. Do not talk. I'm alive. I do not want any other person to know except you. I have a story to tell. Oh? Come, let's sit down.
Where is she going? Mama, okay? Mama, okay? Mama, okay? Mama, okay? Mama, okay?
Rosh.
Mama, okay?
Don't tell her that I'm here. Please.
Mama, okay? Why are you standing here all alone?
It's as if I'm dreaming.
Dream? Dreaming?
Am I dreaming?
Mama, okay, calm down. Your son will be alright by the grace of God. Because this thinking, I'm afraid, it might affect your brain or your heart. Oh?
Just that I want to be sure. I am not dreaming.
You are not dreaming? Oh, calm down. Oh?
Let's go to bed.
Okay.
What is my crime? Gini can commit. Alele bukwa bukwa. Alele bukwa.
It's enough. I won't cry. You won't cry again. It's enough. You're always saying that. Every time I meet you. Yes. You mean it. Yeah. You are sure.
Hey, Mama, okay? Let me go home and see my husband and the children. But I'll come back in the evening. Should in case Okechukwu didn't come back.
No. Don't bother about coming back. Listen, I serve a living God. And he said, call me in time of trouble and I will answer you. And give you peace. So he has given me peace of mind. And I know he will do everything in his time. In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Amen. But, Mama, okay? I hope you're not trying to do something stupid.
Why are you talking like that? Do I look stupid? No, do I look as if I'm going to do something stupid? I don't look troubled at all. I am at peace with myself. Listen, I appreciate you for everything you have done for me. Thank you very much. God bless you, my sister.
Mama, okay. We are not just friends. We are sisters. Married from the same village into the same village. So the bond between us should be stronger. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate you for understanding that.
Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. I am going. I will still come back. I will come back. Don't bother. Just concentrate on them. Take care of them very well. I'm fine. Okay. Do I have tears in my eyes now? No. Do you see any tears? I'm laughing. Okay, I can still laugh for you. Are you not happy now? Okay. So go and take care of them. Bring them for me. Okay. Take care of them very well. Yes.
Agama bakwulu zionye nowa.
Okay, Chukwu.
Has she gone?
Yes. So this is true. Do you know I couldn't sleep all through last night? I wanted to jump out from the bed to come and confirm if it's actually you that came in last night. But you know, Akode will come after me. I couldn't wait for the day to break. No. This is you.
I'm here.
Welcome back.
They wanted to kill me. But the God of the fatherless and the God of the widow had compassion on me and gave me back my life.
Welcome. So what happened?
We have a casualty and he's the only son of a poor widow. Please help me to save him, Ajonko, please.
But Joe, the bullets entered the wrong place. I am not sure we can save him. Look.
Ajonko, something in me tells me that he will survive it, that he's not going to die. Yeah. Please, Ajonko, do something, please. Ajonko, do something, please.
Joe?
Ajonko, you can do it. Help me, please. Save his life, please, Ajonko. Ajonko, what is happening?
The truth is, you are right. There is something peculiar about this young man. Not only did he lose a lot of blood, the bullet entered the wrong places. It will take me time to bring out all of them. But I'm hopeful he will make it alive. Because anytime I check his pulse, I find out that he's still breathing.
Ajonko, please, you have to save him. Eh? If not for any other person, because of his mother. Please, I beg you.
Leave us. I said leave us! Leave us!
Okay. Ajonko,
go there. You don't come here and start lamenting like a girl.
This is life, oh life. My love is now my pain. My joy is now my sorrow. What will I do? Where will I run to? Who will I talk to? What will I do?
I don't know. How did it go?
It went well. It went well. I must say, there is something peculiar about that boy. Like you rightly said. Let me tell you, the bullet hit the guy in a very delicate and very wrong place. But as God may have it, I keep on working on him, checking his pulse, and he is still alive. He lost a lot of blood. I must tell you, something peculiar is about that boy.
Thank God. Thank God we saved his life. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Please, can I go and see him?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, Ajonko. Thank you.
Hey, easy. Take it easy.
Little Joe.
Ajonko. How is he?
Joe, one of the bullets broke his bone, and then it must take some time to heal. But I thank God I was able to bring them all out.
Thank you so much, Ajonko. Thank you.
You are the hero here. Yes, you are the hero here because it takes a man with such supernatural power, such supernatural confidence and faith to have brought him here. Because he had little or no life in him when you brought him.
Ajonko, so when is he going to gain consciousness?
That wound is too deep. So I am hoping that maybe by this time tomorrow, I hope he will regain his consciousness. Because truly, he won't be eating till that time.
Okay, thank you so much, Ajonko. I have to go home now and tidy some things. Tomorrow in the morning, I'll bring your money for you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Please, it is very, very important that you bring that money first thing in the morning.
I'll bring it. I'll bring it. Thank you so much, Ajonko. Thank you.
Little Joe, first thing tomorrow morning.
First thing tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Manyilulu beze. Neze wela jitinyela anyị nevele. Anyị bụ mweze na toji nevele nko. Manyilulu nu beze. Anyị jelili beze. Neze wela jitinyela anyị nevele. Anyị bụ mweze na toji nevele nko. Hold your peace. Hold your peace. Easy.
Where am I?
You are in safe hands, my dear. You are in safe hands.
How did I get to this place? How?
The Almighty and the Creator of life, the Maker of the whole universe. He is the one who brought you here. Not only has He preserved your life, He has also kept you up to this moment, my dear.
Am I alive?
As you can see, you are breathing. And that can only explain that you are still alive.
I'm thirsty.
Oh,
I need water.
I understand you are very thirsty.
Very thirsty.
But I'm sorry I cannot give you water now.
You came back to save my life after you shot me. Why?
Something in me told me that you need to stay alive. If it was possible, I would have boycotted the shooting, but there was nothing I could do. When we got to town, I had to jump out from the car to come after you. I took a tricycle and came to where you are. I have to save you.
Thank you so much. But who ordered the killing?
Stay away from the princess, in fact. Let everyone believe that you are dead. You are going to hide here for the meantime until the princess is married to her suitor. Then you can come out.
Why?
Because the person that sent us will send another people to come after you if he finds out that you are alive. He has all the whole money and connections in the world to achieve his evil plots.
I need to see my mother.
You are dead. Dead men don't see his people.
You're right.
Do you care for some?
It's 5 days now. I can't remain here. My mother might just die. I can't imagine the pains she's passing through now.
It is better she stays in pains of your loss for now and let her live happily with you than she'll be in pain for the rest of her life because of your death. Which of them do you think is more preferable?
If my mother did not see me now, something terrible might happen to her. Please, allow me to go and see her, at least for her to know that I'm still alive. We can keep away the truth from the general public.
How do you intend to achieve that?
Okay, I am going to sneak in the house in the night and sneak out the next night. You know you have put in enough effort on this, and you wouldn't want the effort to be worthless. Just trust me, okay? I want to live for you, for my mother, and for myself. Trust me, I'll handle it.
Okay, that's good. Come over.
My life is now a testimony.
O God of the poor, Father of the fatherless, the husband of the widow. Father, how can I appreciate you and thank you for everything you have done for me and my son? If this boy had been killed by the mighty, what would I have done? Thank you for saving my son for me. Thank you for wiping away my tears. Thank you for bringing back my son to me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus.
Someone sacrificed his life to save mine. I don't want to ruin his effort.
How?
Mama, the Igwe desperately wants me dead. If he hears that I'm alive, not only that he will send men to come and check, but he will want to dig to know how I survived the first attack. And that will amount putting Joe, my friend, in trouble.
Mama, I will go back to my hiding place and I'll come in to see you until the princess marries the prince.
So how do you intend to leave this village unnoticed?
The same way I sneaked into this village, that's the same way I will leave this village.
So that means I will be alone again.
You look cheerful this morning. What's happening? Yes, okay. What's...
My dear, my son appeared to me in a dream last night. Yes, he consoled me very well. He said I shouldn't cry again, that I shouldn't worry about his sudden disappearance. And I promised him that I will not cry anymore.
Yeah, I love this, I love this.
Thank you.
Oh.
See, I'm happy now.
Yes. Mama, okay. Let's go inside.
No, Agodi. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for being there when I needed you most.
Mama, okay.
I will never forget this.
Mama, okay. What are friends for?
You
What are
showed me
friends for?
You showed me you're a good friend.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So let us go inside.
No, let's sit here. Because of the heat.
Okay.
Hey! So how is your family?
Everybody is fine, as you can see.
I'll wash that my
cassava.
I'll carry to the market.
Abi? Very good. It's good like that now. All these tears every time. Oh, you don't need to cry again. Everything is fine. Oh?
What are you doing? What have you done? I can authoritatively tell that you have a hand in his kidnap or assassination, or what can I call it? How could you be so mean? You have always treated him like a lowlife. You have done this because you feel he doesn't deserve me, and neither does he deserve your palace or your kingdom or your throne. How couldn't you even think of his mother? He is her only hope, and you took him away. How could you be so selfish? Even after I told you I love him, yet you took him away. I am giving you 24 hours to bring him back and alive. Else I will make sure that you go through what his mother is going through. I promise you, Father, I will take my life. I promise you. How can you do this? Why are you doing this? I promise you.
What was I thinking? How didn't I think in this direction? Oh, I am doomed. My only daughter. What do I do now? Think on how to save yourself. Think on how to save the life of your only daughter from suicide.
Hello, Igwe.
Listen, young man.
There is a big problem. And if nothing is done, I may lose my only daughter.
What is the problem, Igwe?
That young man I sent you to go and kill, did you actually kill him?
If that is the case, Igwe, then you have no problem. Because I watched him die. And no living soul can locate the body.
Oh, I'm finished.
What is it again, Igwe?
My daughter threatened that if I didn't bring him back alive, that is, she's going to take her life. And I know my daughter. She doesn't give an empty threat.
In that case, Igwe, we have to plan to take her to a place where we monitor her until she gets rid of everything about the boy. But that will cost you a lot, Igwe.
How is that going to be possible?
Igwe, leave that to me. I'm a master in this game.
Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Okay, true. Why always me? Okay, true. Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a domination to be in love? To bring us a
The king called, asking if we really murdered you. That the daughter is threatening to take her life if we don't return you after 24 hours.
No, she can't die.
My boss is on a mission to go and apprehend the princess and keep her in a safe place for close monitoring until she totally forgets everything about you.
I have to go and show myself to the princess.
Why?
Because she can't die for nothing.
You are a dead man, my friend. You are not going anywhere.
Yes, but sometimes dead men do visit their loved ones.
I hope I don't regret ever saving your life.
Who's there?
My daughter opened the door and talked to your father.
Have you brought the boy back?
That's why I'm here. We need to talk as father and daughter.
Go and bring the boy. Once he's here and I can hear his voice, then I'll open the door.
Uju, open this door. I need to talk with you.
And I say no. You will never see my face again in your entire life until you bring the boy back.
Then you left me with no option than to break this door now.
Then suit yourself. Break it.
Abuzanyega mama inikamera. What is my crime? Amayimo Gini can commit. Amayimo Alile bukwa Alile bukwa Gimme come. Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Okay, true. Why always me? Okay, true.
Okay, Chuku.
Mama?
Where are you going?
Mama, I want to rush to the palace now. When I come back, I will explain everything to you.
You're not going anywhere.
Mama, it's not what you think.
Whatever I think does not matter anymore. All I'm saying is that I don't want to see you step your foot into that palace again. Mama, not anymore.
As we're talking, somebody is about to die.
Okay, Chukwu, let the person die. As long as you're not the person dying, anybody can die.
Mama, please, I will explain to you.
Okay, Chukwu, I don't need your explanations. You can keep it to yourself. I don't care.
Mama.
Come back! Baby! Get Dada! Where are you going? Going where? You're coming and you're going. You're not on now. My shiny coffee not on my ship.
If you don't want my car, I'll go leave and Mama,
Mama, I'm coming.
Please, I'm coming. Start, let's go.
It's like I'm too up. Where are you going?
Mama, oh, start now, let's go.
He's blind. I fall in love for real because it's my chance. I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love, love.
I need you to force this door open now. Okay.
Love, happiness, that should be what we are looking for. Love, happiness. Remember, greedy is part of hate. Oh, money's not everything. Oh, my happiness is what I want. It's what I want. Money's not everything. Money's not my happiness. Oh, it's what I want. My love, my treasure, you were always in my heart. Baby, mom, tell me your heart. I can do anything for you. You are my love, my happiness, my world. You are my treasure, my life, my world, baby. Igugama, igugama, baby, chibaby, igugama, baby, chibaby, baby. This love is unbreakable, nothing can separate us. We are one forever. Someone is for love, but it's hard to see this kind of love. I believe you. Someone is for love, but it's hard to see this kind of love. I believe you. When temptation comes and back, I believe you. Oh, I know you really are. I believe you. When temptation comes and back.
The king have warned me never to open the gate for you.
Go and call the king. Go and tell him that I'm alive. Tell him that I'm here. Go and save the princess.
If the king sets his eyes on you, you won't leave this place alive. So you better go home.
Go now. Go now. I'm telling you, go and save the princess.
I'm warning you too. Go home. Go home.
I fell in love, I love when I'm here. He is my choice, my word and my love.
this gate now. Go and call me.
What am I even talking to? Please, don't touch this gate again. Don't leave this place alive.
Understand?
Leave this place alive.
Wait.
Hey. Oh, no.
Ogini.
Hey, oh no. Oh
What's
no.
the problem with you?
Hey.
No, Ogini. What's the problem with you?
Mama, I told you I wanted to go and stop her from taking her life. But you didn't let me. You didn't listen to me.
Oh, or the princess. So what later happened?
I saw them taking her to the car. Mama, she is dead. She took her life because of me. She took her life because of me.
The princess is dead. Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I saw them taking her lifeless body to the car. Mama, she took her life because of me.
Hey! I cannot. How will you do a thing like that? I'm going to okay, just go anywhere. I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm not anywhere.
Hey.
They wouldn't know because of that.
Charlie!
Boss! Yeah. My prince.
Come. We need to get to CMB Specialist Hospital right away. Huh?
My prince, hope all is well.
All is not well. You see, the king just called me now to tell me that his daughter, Princess Uju, has been rushed to the hospital. She took some deadly substance to take her own life.
Jesus. Really?
Boy, let's go there.
Really?
Yes. You see, he has requested I represent him at the hospital since he can't be there. So we need to make sure that the doctors are taking care of her. So please, let's go.
Okay, let me get the car keys first.
Yes, hurry up. Hurry up. Yes.
My prince.
Where is she?
She's inside with the doctor.
Oh, okay.
And Auntie Precious is around.
Oh, she's there?
Yes.
Where is she?
Inside.
Precious, what happened? What happened?
Thank God you're here.
What happened?
She found out about the truth.
Truth?
Yes.
What truth? Please excuse us. My prince.
Missing boy. The missing boy was actually adopted by the assassin, not the police. He was murdered that same night.
How? How? But by who? Who did that? What?
She wants to punish the father for being an extremist. She took poison, but the father was fast enough. She was still breathing, though unconscious when she was brought here.
Oh, okay. So what is the doctor saying?
Nurse, please get me the file of the patients in Ward 8 so I can...
Doctor, yeah. Please, what's the situation? What's going on?
Yes.
They were fast enough to have brought her to this place, but there might still be a problem. You see, we've done all we can to make sure we stop any further damages the substance was to cause her body.
Okay.
And we've also given her injection to neutralize the effect of the poison. Although she's still unconscious as we speak. But let's hope, because she may pass on from there and she may wake up. So let's just hope she wakes up after some time or a while.
Wow. This is serious.
Oh, yes.
This is serious.
Let's hope she wakes up and let's still give her some more time. You'll excuse me.
What's he talking about?
Well, you heard the doctor. She may or may not survive.
Oh God. Uju, why now? Eh? Why would she want to take her own life? Why?
Oh, nurse, I need to see her, please.
I'm coming with you.
It's so funny. It's so amazing how, after all the love I showed you, all the care I showered on you, yet you chose another man for me. I can do nothing but wish you both well in the land of the dead.
No. No. You can't die like that. You can't die like that, my friend, please. Wake up and talk to me, please. Just wake up. I'm here, talk to me.
Goodbye.
Would you please just talk to me, please? Please wake up and talk to me, I beg you. Please, would you please?
Are you sure you heard clearly? Because if she had died, the news of her death would have been all over the place. Even as I went out today, I was expecting to hear something, but I didn't hear anything to that effect.
I think they took her to the hospital and she was revived.
Me too, I'm thinking in that direction as well.
Maybe I'll go to the hospital and check if she's alive or dead.
Aburo Ezioku, it's not true. You are not going anywhere.
Why?
What is your problem? Do you think if she had died, the people would be happy to see or hear that you are alive too? Eh?
Do you think if she finally took her life thinking I was dead, you think I'll be happy to leave and not to join her?
Okay, Chuku. What would you do? Take your life because of her? Huh?
Just pray she leaves.
Oh, can I have more sad? Ife ni ife kwe o. Mommy, can I nip? Okay, Chuku.
How long is my daughter going to remain like this?
I wish I know.
So is there nothing that can be done medically to revive her completely?
Absolutely nothing, Your
Highness. Oh, I don't believe you, doctor. Something has to be done.
It's a miracle.
She married.
Where am I?
You're in the hospital.
They brought me to the hospital.
Oh yes, because you wanted to take your life.
He brought me here to save my life. How selfish can you get? You brought me here to save my life. But you killed another's child.
Okechukwu is not dead. He is alive.
What? He's not?
Yes. He visited. He survived the attack, but he has been running away from being killed.
What is my crime?
You?
Yes, I'm alive. I am not dead. You see, I was in my hideout when I heard that the princess wanted to take her life. Then I rushed to save her life, but the gatekeeper wouldn't allow me in till I saw them taking her body to the car. I knew they were heading to this place. So, how is she?
The doctor said she might survive or she might not. Hey. She's still unconscious.
Can I see her now?
The king is around.
What?
Yes.
You see, I've been like this for over a week now. I survived the attack, and I wouldn't want any other person to come for me. You see, I will go now, but I'll come back when the king must have left. Okay?
Okay. Be careful.
Thank you.
Is it abomination to be in love? To bring Nasikwaya, 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 Jimmy Nasikwaya, 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 Nasikwaya,
Are you sure you're telling the truth?
I am my princess.
We know where he lives.
I do, my king.
Take some servants. Go with my driver. I need to see him now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No. Oh, relax. He's coming, okay? How are you feeling now? I mean, do you still feel any pain in your body?
Doctor, the only way the pain in my body can go away is if I set my eyes on that boy.
I got my bakulonye no I got my bakulonye no
Greetings, ma.
Yes, Ogini?
We come in peace.
What kind of peace?
The Igwe has sent us to fetch your son.
Which son? Is it the one he sent them to come and kill for me? Or another one? Tell him that one he's looking for is dead.
Even your son will be happy to know that the princess is awake and is demanding to see him.
Ogini.
Is she awake? Is she awake?
Yes, I told her you survived the attack, but she said she wouldn't believe me until she sets her eyes on you.
Hey!
Yes. And the Igwe also demands that you are brought over.
Please, let's go.
Go where?
Let's go.
Okay, when I be Naga, you're not going anywhere.
Mama, wait.
Come.
What we be, what we be. If I cheat the Lord, I can only see us. What we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Pechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love.
My love. Is this really you?
Yes, it's me. I didn't die after all. I'm alive. Sorry. How are you?
Happy. Very happy.
What took you so long?
The man.
What took you so long?
Mama, the princess has been discharged from the hospital, so I had to follow them to their house.
Because of that, you now go to the princess' house every day. Okay, to remember they don't like you. So once the princess is fully recovered, they'll find a way to eliminate you out of their ways. Be careful.
Okay. Just listen, let me tell you. On the contrary, if anybody who wants me alive now is the king, he will put every energy within him to see that I'm alive for the fear of losing his daughter. So, do not fear anymore, Mama. Our love has prevailed. Very soon, your son, Oki boy, will be getting married to the princess of this kingdom. Mama.
So should I be laughing now?
This is a dream come true. We have made it.
You and me and you.
Yes.
Stop deceiving yourself, Okechukwu. Both of you are not the same class. Don't ever begin to dream those kind of wide dream.
Mama, do not fear anymore. Okay? Just be happy. Check and help, Ogi Bigo. Let me help you. Let me help you. At least let me learn how to be sewing. Are you? Maybe.
So now, wife again and Manro.
Hi, I'm so happy.
Have you heard? Heard what? Okechukwu and the princess are getting married.
Eh?
Tell me something. I heard a rumor that he was abducted by unknown gunmen, suspected to have been sent by the king.
One of the gunmen took him to a place where the gun was extracted. Yes, so.
I didn't hear that part of the story.
The
Tell
more
me something.
interesting thing is the princess threatened to kill herself if Okechukwu was not brought to her. So they had to provide Okechukwu for her. Everybody went running, searching for Okechukwu. The king go, the princess, so everybody was searching for Okechukwu. And finally they brought Okechukwu to her.
This is interesting.
Now they're about to get married.
That's interesting.
Yes. Funny, isn't it? The same Okechukwu that everybody in the village was talking about. He's about to marry the princess. I'm happy for them.
I wonder what my friend and her sister will be thinking now.
That's true.
My princess, I'm happy to hear you conquered after the claws of death almost stole you away from me. Come here.
How are you?
I'm fine. He's angry.
I don't care about his anger. All that matters to me is you. I told you. Perhaps we're born to make history. To tell the greatest story of love ever known. I told you. My heart is so full because Father wants to see you. And I.
When?
Now. Like yesterday now.
Like now?
Let me start by apologizing to both of you. All my actions were highly regrettable, and I am very, very sorry. I thought I could separate both of you, but with you, I have come to realize that the greatest power that exists is the power of love. Your love stood against all odds. Your love conquered every adversary. Your love conquered even death. I have no option than to consent to your marriage. I have no option than to consent to your union. I give you my paternal blessings.
When we think for you, you are my love, my happiness, my world. You are my treasure, my life, my world, baby. Big Bugama, big Bugama.
What a time to visit.
Yes, so it is called being at the right place at the right time. But unfortunately,
I am not sparing any of this food, okay? As if you normally give us before.
Who doesn't know you? We know you now. Stingy girl.
I was only joking. Okay. That day that I came to your house, did you give me food?
Good job.
Anyway, that's not even why we are here.
Have a seat now. Sit down. Have you heard about the latest development?
On what?
Okechukwu and the princess, of course.
I am not interested. You should be. The king has finally given his consent. Okechukwu and the princess are getting married very soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But please, if that's the reason why you guys are here, to discuss Okechukwu and the princess,
please leave my house. Please leave. I have more important things to attend to.
Oh yeah?
Are you asking us to leave your house?
Oh, if that's how you see it,
then no problem.
Let's go. They rejected someone and labeled him a tout. Now the tout is getting married. Not to another tout as they predicted, but to our own princess. And they are jealous.
Jealous of what? The stone that the builders rejected has become the chief cornerstone.
Tell her.
Please, let's go. Keep going. Just go. Go.
How are you? It's been now. How have you been?
I've been strong as usual. I've been strong.
I trust you, strong girl.
That's my name now.
So tell me, have you heard anything about Okechukwu whereabouts? Has he been found? Is he okay? I've not been relaxed all this while. Is he okay?
Oh, he has been found now.
Yeah. Thank God. My Okechukwu has been found. I missed him so much. That's why I came back to the village.
Do you know the latest gist in town now?
Tell me what?
In this village.
Tell me.
Okechukwu is getting married to the princess. Yes, so it's all over the village. Sister, not again. Sister, Okechukwu is not your man. If he's your man, he would have waited for you. Sister, stop crying. Let me go and prepare food for you.
I'm not hungry. No, Okechukwu, no. You can leave me. You are mine. Oh, every man has his weakness. If I had known better, I would have stuck to my Okechukwu until he is a changed man. Helping your man to fight and win his weakness is the best approach. Running away from your man because of his weakness leads to regret, because no man is without weakness. I know better now. Yes.
My father used to say, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. The origin of happiness is loving the woman you married, rather than marrying the woman you love. I bless your marriage in Eke. I bless you in Ore. I bless you in Afo. I bless you in Okwa. May your marriage be fruitful in all manner of fruitfulness. By my authority as a father, I declare both of you blessed and together forever. We all now rise and go out for the celebration to start.
Greetings, Your Majesty. I am Inspector Ngozi Koka from State CID.
State CID?
Yes.
Is there anything the matter?
I am directed by Deputy Commissioner of Police to invite you to clarify matters on kidnaps and attempted murder.
All right. Ichie, can you hear her?
I don't
The
understand.
State Commissioner of Police inviting me to clarify a case of kidnap and attempted murder.
How?
Okay, you go back. I'm coming to your station. Let me call my lawyer.
Is it a crime? What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? Guinea can is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Okay, true. Why always me? Okay, true. Is it a crime to fall in love? Is it a domination to be in love? To bring us a fire, Jimmy knows it fire, Guinea can one Guinea can get a Agama bakulonye noa. Agama bakulonye noa. Afumbu